Good morning to you, Phyllis. Get dressed with me for work with what I have in my closet. Today is Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. Hey, it's weekend. I'm so happy that it's Friday. At least one has to rest because my whole court has been really dealing with me so far. I'm so happy that I can rest this weekend. So yeah, this is the basic look. Today I'm going to wear a skirt. I think I wear the skirt on the first video I did when I start this challenge. So I'm gonna wear this skirt today. I'm gonna style it with something else. This is a matching. It's a match. It's a set. I have the top, but today I want to style it with something because if not, I will have this stuff lying down in my closet and I'll never get to wear them. I think I picked this one up at the TK Maxx a while ago. It's such an old shirt. It's very old. Just that I don't wear it as much. So today I thought, you know what? Hey, let's wear this one today. Today, let's wear this. Oh, it's not bad. It is not bad. It is absolutely not bad looking. Yep, yep. And I'm going to wear my favorite boots. I love this boot so much. So let's wear this one. It's good. It's good to go. Let's put on some lipstick on. I love this lipstick. I think I wanted to buy another one. The second color that I had, that one was more like a pinkish. I wanted to get that one, but then I said to myself, I want to use what I have. I do also have another uh like this one from MAC, and I barely use it. So I thought maybe when this one is finished, I'll start using that one. So my Sol General perfume is officially finished. Yesterday I opened up the backup. So now I don't have a backup. Now I have to start looking online when they will have sales on it to get another bottle because this is the perfume that I said that I'm going to be buying because I have the shower gel, the moisturizer, the body mist, and the body oil. Definitely, it's good to always have the perfume. It's officially finished, and the the body mist 62 is also finished. Almost. I still have a little bit, but I like to fill the mini containers, like use this one to fill this one up. So I still have a little bit in here. And the 71 I still have. But I do have a backup for the 62. So yeah. And I also have the 71. I have the body oil, a backup, but I don't have another backup of the perfume. So I need to get that one. And this one makes you smell so good. Like when I say good, it really gives you a beautiful smell. I really loved it. So amazing. I'm almost finished. Trying to finish everything that is in this bottle. Excuse me. Like I said, when I have allergic reaction now, when I use perfume, I sneeze. But that's not gonna stop me from not smelling good because of boycotts. I'm still gonna sneeze and put on the perfume. Because I'm not gonna be like because I'm sneezing deaf, I'm not gonna put a perfume. Sorry, I rather sneeze than me not smelling good, and that's why I like to take shower in the morning. Because shower in the morning just makes me awake, makes me feel good, and I love it. Oh, I should have first used the body oil before going in with my hand cream. Just give that skin some extra shine. Give the skin some extra moisture. That also my Oh, excuse the crazy sound that I made that I'm making with my nose. I can't help it. It's just so like it's rubbed that on my head. You can also use the body mist as a hairspray. Like to make your especially when you have those wigs, you can actually use the body mist to make it smell good. Yeah. So, Team Flex, this is the outfit look of today. What do y'all think? I look good? Well, I look good. I look good. I feel good. I look good. I feel good. So yeah, same for us. Today's Friday. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate it. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en understanding. Ik waardeer het echt. En hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Hope to see you guys next week. Team for less. Thank you guys so much. Peace out. Bye.